What's going on, guys? Sorry for the long delay on videos. I was going to record them bringing in the cabin, but man, it was a bad ordeal that I'll have to show you all sometime and tell you about it. So I didn't get to record any of that from those yahoos bringing it in. But we got the cabin in. I'm starting to run rough in some electrical. Got my breaker box and my solar panels set up, little heater. So I'm starting to run my electrical. Oh man, my plugs. I'm getting ready to run some light switches, do a couple things. So the plan is to get all the electrical roughed in and then start get the electrical roughed in. Then I'm going to build the walls for the bathroom and the bedroom and build the loft out a little bigger. And then I'm going to go around and start insulating everything and then start drywall and everything. We're going to be building some cabinets. Been buying some stuff. I got a propane hot water heater that I'm going to mount, and we're going to get a propane range stove for the kitchen. So I'm trying to do as much stuff as possible to not be I don't know how to say that, to not be reliant on the grid and resources and stuff. I mean, yeah, of course, propane, you got to buy it, but if the electric goes out or if big snow or whatever, you know, I can have enough propane for a couple weeks to not have to worry about it. And same thing for the electrical. I got the solar. So same thing for water. I'm thinking about putting some IBC totes out with some gutters. And I got a 12-volt water pump that I can hook up and pressurize the system. So a lot of things going on. I don't know how much you all want to see of this, but I'm going to try to record some of it and show you what we got going on. It's a lot of work, but we're started into it. I will say this: one of our subscribers had said something about the driveway around the pond, and in the pond being mosquitoes and stuff. So after all that big rain we had, there's like a spring right on the other side of that pond. So what we did is we just decided to put it somewhere else. So we moved it back further on the property, back away from everything. We're closer to one side now, but we're still really secluded. You can't see any houses or nothing. So all that work over there for nothing. But you live and you learn. So let's start working. Get some of this stuff done.